Here are 10 steps to creating a successful website. 1. Define your goals. What do you want your website to achieve? Do you want to generate leads, increase sales, or build brand awareness? Once you know your goals, you can start to develop a website that will help you achieve them. 2. Know your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your website? What are their needs and interests? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your website content and design to appeal to them. 3. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. It should be easy to remember and relevant to your business. 4. Choose a web hosting provider. A web hosting provider is a company that stores your website files and makes them accessible to visitors. When choosing a web hosting provider, consider factors such as price, features, and reliability. 5. Design your website. The design of your website should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. It should also be consistent with your brand identity. 6. Create content. The content on your website should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. It should also be optimized for search engines. 7. Promote your website. Once your website is up and running, you need to promote it so that people can find it. There are many ways to promote your website, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising. 8. Track your results. It's important to track the results of your website marketing efforts so that you can see what's working and what's not. This will help you make necessary adjustments to your strategy. 9. Keep your website up to date. Your website should be regularly updated with fresh content and information. This will help keep your visitors engaged and coming back for more. 10. Secure your website. Your website should be protected from hackers and malware. There are a number of ways to secure your website, such as using a firewall and installing security certificates. Like, share, and follow for more on how to start a business and increase sales.